Is there a simple, elegant way to define singletons? There seem to be many ways to define singletons in Python. Is there a consensus opinion on Stack Overflow?
I don't really see the need, as a module with functions, and not a class, would serve well as a singleton. All its variables would be bound to the module, which could not be instantiated repeatedly anyway. If you do wish to use a class, there is no way of creating private classes or private constructors in Python, so you can't protect against multiple instantiations, other than just via convention in use of your API. I would still just put methods in a module and consider the module as the singleton.
A slightly different approach to implement the singleton in Python is the Borg pattern by Alex Martelli, a Google employee and Python genius. So instead of forcing all instances to have the same identity, they share state.
The module approach works well. If I absolutely need a singleton, I prefer the metaclass approach. You can override the ___new___ method like this.